Hi guys, welcome back. Guys, this is for anybody that has Aries in your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and Jupiter signs. You could be somebody who is a cross watcher and you are drawn to this video. So if you're a cross watcher and you are drawn to this video, this could be your reading. Please keep in mind that since it's a general reading, you can reverse the roles and switch the energies as it suits you. Okay? So we will see what do we have in store for my Aries. Alright, the first card that I have is Five of Cups. Justice. Okay. So I have Hermit and King of Swords. I have Five of Swords. Six is Magician. This is the Devil in reverse. Okay. So I think I've got two more cards. That is Three of Swords and the Queen of Wands. Bottom of the deck is Emperor. Guys, keep in mind that these are general readings. It will resonate to most of you, not all of you. So take whatever resonates and leave the rest. Okay? So I'll pull all the cards and then I'll start your reading. Aries, some of you feel that you are in a relationship that's very toxic. We have the Lovers in reverse and Ace of Wands in reverse. I see you trapped in a toxic relationship, Aries. Okay. You could be dealing with somebody who is emotionally unavailable. This is somebody who is never there when you really need them, Aries. Okay, this is somebody who has love for you, but then they are emotionally unavailable. I don't know, I feel that. So let's see. Hermit, Nine of Wands in reverse, Six of Pentacles, Three of Swords, King of Pentacles and Four of Swords. Bottom of the deck is Page of Pentacles. Okay, Aries, as far as this situation is concerned, I feel that your person and you both, you may have had a breakup in the past. Okay, it's like you both are not talking to each other, or I feel that you have had a breakup in the past. You have been manifesting this person, could be 3 months, 6 months for some of you. Maybe you are not in touch. What has happened is, I feel that your person is somebody who has love for you, because I see the Lovers here. I see somebody who is manifesting you, but maybe you both could not understand each other in the past, Aries. Okay, I think because of which a beautiful relationship has come to an end. As far as the current energy is concerned, I feel this person wants to start fresh with you. They want to begin again. I see Ace of Wands energy, Hermit energy. This person is in this place where they are thinking on how to have you back, the way forward. This person wants to put efforts in this connection now. They know that they may have ruined this, but this person is now willing to invest in this connection. And I don't know, I feel that you are in this place where you feel that this person has hurt you. I don't know, I feel that this could be a toxic relationship. Like you feel that this person expects you to do whatever they want, and when you want something, this person is not available. So this person is somebody who doesn't really think about what you want, how you want. etc, etc. Okay, so they fail to understand you. This is what I can see here. Okay, I have the justice here, 5 of cups here. You are in this place where you are thinking on, you feel that this person has not been fair towards you. This person may have said something that may have hurt you, or done some things that may have caused you pain. You're seeking justice in this connection. So we will see, this could be a Capricorn. Most of you, I think this is a Capricorn. This could be a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or an Aries, Leo, Saggy that you are dealing with. Okay, so you know what, Aries, I feel that your person is also equally suffering. You may feel that they are not, but this person is suffering. This person is in pain. They want you still. This person wants you. I think if you both are willing to compromise and work on this connection, this is a strong connection. For most of you, an equal give and take is required in this connection. Only then can this relationship go forward. It cannot be that you invest 80% and this person will only invest 20%. Then this relationship is not going anywhere. Okay, it's like you both have to invest equally. With the, I see you in this energy, Emperor energy. Okay, Page of Pentacles. See, this person is attached to you. They are not going to let you go. Whoever you're dealing with, Aries, they don't want to let you go. Whereas I feel that you are in a very defensive mode. It's like this person says one word, you're ready to say 10 words. I do see you in a defensive mode. Okay, some of you, I feel that you're literally mourning over the loss of this connection, like mourning over this person. You are missing them. You're thinking about all the past things that you both must have done things together in the past. You're thinking about them over and over again. So you know the love is there. I will not deny this person has love for you, but maybe they didn't realize how to treat you right when they were with you, Aries. Okay, that's the problem here. See, 9 of Swords in reverse. Let's see their energy now. See, this person feels everything is over. This person wants to marry you. They are not willing to let you go, Pisces. We have the Tower in reverse. They don't want to let you go. This person wants to take action, maybe, but maybe the time is not right. This person sees marriage with you. For some of you, this person may have tried to know somebody else, but it failed. Okay, or this is somebody, maybe you're dealing with somebody who is married. Okay, some of you could be dealing with somebody who's already married. So that is also thing. Whatever it is, this person is not letting you go, Aries. Yeah, see, we have the Page of Cups, Hangman, and Page of Wands. This person wants to come clean. This time when they come to you, this person is somebody, this person is, you know, they want you to initiate the things. This person wants you to chase them. Okay, this is their feeling. They want you, but they are not willing to take action. We have the Chariot in reverse here also with the 10 of Pentacles and Tower. We have Page of Cups with the Hangman and Page of Wands. This person wants to move forward with you. This person wants to take it forward with you, but they don't want to take the initiative. Okay, they have feelings for you, but this person is hiding what they are really feeling inside. So they have love for you, Aries. Okay, there is one more problem I forgot to tell you. This is somebody who has trust issues also. It's like they have trust issues. This person feels maybe that you have moved on, you are with somebody else, maybe you have fallen in love with somebody. Now this is their insecurity. This person feels that maybe they don't trust you, Aries. That is also one thing that's bothering them. At times they feel maybe they have lost you. This person feels that, you know, that maybe you have moved on in life. They may have lost you. Now this is their feeling. Okay, which is why this person is confused. So they don't know what to do. They feel maybe that you're seeing somebody else, there is somebody else who may have come in your life, you're talking to somebody else. Now this is their fear. They fear, what if you've moved on? Okay, they have trust issues. See, we have the 9 of wands here, 9 of wands. Plus this person is guarded. They, at times they feel that, what if my Aries comes back and then they leave me again, or we break up again? So this is their fear. Okay, for some of you, maybe you are dealing with a player in the sense, this person has been a player. They were not really serious in their past relationships. They have been cheating on others, not in a bad way, but they're somebody. For some of you, I feel that, especially if this is a male figure, okay, if you're dealing with a masculine energy, maybe this is somebody who has had a history of flirting with others. So just because they are flirting with others, they are seeing you with their own lenses. Just because they have done this with others, they feel maybe you are also cheating them. Okay, this is their own insecurity, this is their own fear. Just because they have been cheating on others, they feel that you are also cheating on them. So this is their fear, this is their own selves, like they are trying to not trust you because they have been like that with others. Okay, so especially if this is a male figure, not because she is a woman. Okay, I don't see this for a woman, I see this for a male, a masculine energy. Okay, so could be for women in some cases, because it's a general reading, but for a masculine energy in particular. Okay, so that was that. So let's see, what else do you want, Pisces? Sorry, I'm so sorry, I don't know why am I saying Pisces. So maybe some of you are dealing with a Pisces. So we'll see what do you want, my Aries. I'm sorry, I don't know what has happened to my voice. There's some problem today, I don't know. Pisces, some of you, you are holding back. It's like you don't know, you have lost faith in this connection. Okay, and some of you, I feel that there's something that you could be hiding from this person, Aries. Okay, maybe there's something that you could be hiding from this person. Some of you, you are being very spiritual of lately. It's like you're seeking guidance in a spiritual way. So you're seeking guidance by, maybe could be that you're praying a lot of lately. So maybe you're praying to get some guidance in this connection. So you're being more spiritual of lately. With the 6 of Swords, I feel that you still want this person, Aries. You just can't think beyond this person. Okay, High Priestess in 6 of Swords says that you have immense love for this person. You can't think beyond them. You want things to work out and you want things to get better between both of you. See, you want this person to come forward and give you this Ace of Pentacles. Some of you, you may have rejected a new person. Maybe there is a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, or another Gemini, Libra, Aquarius who may have come in your life recently, or somebody who may have proposed to you, but you are like trying to turn down that offer. Okay, some of you maybe are trying to turn down a strong commitment because of this person. Just because you have this love for this person, you are trying to turn down some other offer. Okay, Aries. Yeah, we have the Moon and Ace of Swords. I don't know, I feel that there are some things that are hidden, Aries. Okay, I think some things with the Moon and Ace of Swords, a lot of things are hidden in this connection, and I think you're going to get clarity. It's like whatever is hidden is going to come out. Maybe this person will come and tell you the truth. So maybe you'll get to know things now. You'll get some clarity about this entire connection, Aries. Okay, you know what, as far as the outcome is concerned, Aries, this relationship demands for an equal give and take. If one of you is also not leveling up to the other person, things may go down the drain. Okay, this is like you both have to invest equally if you both want each other. Okay, this is it. So Let's see what messages do we have from Romance Angel deck. I think this wants to come out. Flirt. You are asked to ease up. It's like some of you are taking things very seriously, okay? Just have that childlike nature. Be open. If there's somebody else, as I said, there could be a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, or a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius who may have shown interest in you. You're asked to open up, know other people in your life too. So just don't be rigid and be stuck to this person. If there's somebody else who likes you, who has feelings for you, there's no harm in knowing that person, okay? So you are asked to open up to new connections too, okay? Deception. Somebody is wearing a false mask here. So definitely somebody, I said there are a lot of things that are hidden in this connection. Now maybe in some cases it could be from your end, Aries, and in some cases this is this person who has hidden many things from you. And I think with the Ace of Swords you'll get to know the truth very soon, okay? You'll get to know the truth. Whatever has been hidden will come to light soon. Okay, I think so. Let's see. Trust and soulmate. Some of you are being asked to trust the situation, okay? You are being asked to trust the situation. As I said, you're going through a lot. I see you in this place where you are looking for the way forward. You're confused, you feel stuck, you don't know where is this heading to. Things will get better, Aries, okay? Things will get better. Some of you are literally dealing with your soulmate. You're dealing with somebody who has immense, didn't I say we have the Lovers here, Ace of, this person is not going anywhere. They're coming back to you. This person has made up their mind to put efforts in this connection. It's just that they don't want to be the first one to initiate. They want you to come forward and start everything, okay? You will see that this person will start putting efforts in this connection. You'll get a message, call. It is a slow process because this person, for now, they're waiting for you. So maybe if you don't start the conversation, this person will have no choice but to come forward and talk, okay? So this is a strong connection, Aries. We'll see if we have any message for you. We'll see what messages do we have for you, Aries. We'll see what messages do we have for you. Spiritual. Didn't I say some of you are focusing on your inner self? That could be that you're reading a lot of holy books or you're praying a lot. Could be seeking guidance in a spiritual way. Okay, this has come second time now. So we'll see what do we have in store for you, my Aries. Yeah, I miss you. And so, oh shits, oh my god, this is no joke. Aries, you're literally dealing with your second half maybe, or this is, see this card coming twice. Is this a joke? This is strange. I shuffle so many times. This person is missing you. They're just not happy without you. I can't put it in words, but this person is suffering without you, okay? It's like it happens when it's a divine connection. You can't live without each other, and that's what is happening with this person, and this is with you too. Like you both are stuck on each other. So I don't know, even if you part off today, you'll come back in the future. I don't know, but I don't see you parting ways as of now. But this is a divine connection, okay? See, this person is stuck on you, Aries. What else? Wait, have patience. So this is your message. You are being asked to wait and have patience, Aries, okay? Just wait. This person is not going anywhere. They are coming back to you. Things will get better in this connection. So that was that, Aries. I really hope this helps and resonates, and if this does, I would request you to please like, share, subscribe, and do let me know how did this resonate. And thank you so much. You guys take care. Be safe. Bye.